Hello, today I would like to introduce you our work in creating business ventures. So let me present you my Asili team. So we will have Sweeney. She will talk about our source on founding, Li-Kang with our cost, and Xavier with our financial plan. So me, I will talk about our company, how the idea came from, and what is our business model. So Asili is an eco-friendly brand specialized in bamboo luxury bags, which aim to respond to the 21st century's issue, the global environment problem. As you already know, the implement of our company came from an idea, which is really crucial for our innovation and entrepreneurship. Our business idea was generated from an opportunity to provide sustainable products in order to solve the problem of the sustainable issues. So Asili is an eco-friendly brand specialized in bamboo luxury bags which aim to respond to the 21st century issues, the global environment problem. As you already know, the implement of our company came from an idea, which is really crucial for innovation and entrepreneurship. Our business idea was generated from an opportunity to provide sustainable products in order to solve the problem. Therefore, the add value that Asili provide is community involvement because we contribute to the society by facing the plastic problem. Innovation, Asili enhances its customer quality of life, offers fairness through a win-to-win situation. So now, let's move to our business model, which is a major representation of our business activity. So as you can see, we have partners. First, we have the supplier of raw materials, the supplier which supply the bamboo, our manufacturer, independent retailer that aim us to provide the bags, the luxury bamboo bags, and our customer which are purchasing the bags. So we wanted to create a relation with the customer. We want to the customer to recognize in our value, which is eco-friendly. We can bear in mind that a part of our profit is redistributed to the society. So we wanted to Asili to be a really eco-friendly. So we also position it as a semi-luxury fashion brand, and we focus on our design also. So how we want the products to be channeled? Through online stores as well, because we would like to have a website for Asili, pop-up stores, and independent stores. So we targeted our customer, so women as well, tourists, and independent retailers. So we would like to implement our business in Spain, because Spain is really, we think that Spain will be really rewarding for our business due to the position, and targets all our business in 4 cities such as Sevilla, Madrid, Barcelona, and another city of Spain. So the main part of our cost structure. So we have the cost of production based on our production, as the name said. The promotion. So this cost will be allocated for marketing parts and the pop-up store. So we would like to have the revenue thanks to our sales and thanks to our medium high price that we will implement. So thank you.
The core business of Asili, which is the primary area in which it's built on, will be the design. We also plan on specializing in marketing and the commercial relationships with our suppliers and our customers. The key resources, which are the most important assets that Asili has that will make the business model work, would be the brand and the design. The capabilities as a staff, where I have a background in design, we have Hilary, who has a degree in marketing. Li-Kang, our project manager, also has background in project management, and we have Xavier, who is very conversant with commercial relationship. We plan on patenting the design and the logo, although we will not patent the process because we are planning to outsource. And also our model that we're providing also is very key resource in our business. Different organizations have different ways that they come up with funds. For Asili, we will focus on 4 main ways. That will be the personal finance, the crowdfunding, business angels, and banks. A focus was required in order to know how much we need to start the business. We found out that we require £80,000 as an opening for our business. Initially, we will take a loan of £35,000 that we plan to pay back in a period of 4 years, although we don't want to be indebted to banks. The rest of the money required for our business will come from personal finance of £25,000 from all of the key members of the staff. We also require a business angel who will give us £15,000. That will mean that they'll have a stake in our business. Crowdfunding will be very essential for our business because it will be able to promote our brand value. There's the disadvantage of competition from competitors in different platforms, although we will need £5,000 as a source of from crowdfunding. £80,000 will help with liquidity in our business and also help us promote our business going forward in the following years. Now Li-Kang will be able to take us to the cash flow statement to better understand how the £80,000 will be spent.
As an eco-friendly company, Asili will not only treat the environment well, but also manage capital efficiently, which means we will spend money precisely. Now I will show the fixed and variable costs of our business. For variable cost, we have raw material and labor cost. We set our price on €50 and the total cost per unit is 28, which include raw material and labor costs, both in €14. After take out 10% of operating profit, our profit margin achieved 40%. Next come to fixed costs. We have salary €4,000 per month for 4 of us. In the beginning, we are not going to open a store for a long contract. We choose pop-up store to draw crowd attention to promote the brand at the same time. So it will cost us €186 per day. About the promotion cost is around 2,000 to 4,000. It will be high in the first year and gradually decrease to 2,000 in the second and third year. We will adjust it while the demand need to inspire. Also, we have extra expense, 300 per month, in case of any occasion event like visiting suppliers or emergency situation. For warehouse and office expenses, we prepare €300 per month and using subscribe service for website which costs about €9 per month. In the future, we expect to launch Asili in global market. The expansion cost might raise, so we are looking for more partners to invest on us. We're sure that early you join us, the more profit you gain. If you are interested in our business, welcome to visit our business report online. And in that, you can find out more information about implementation and justification and also the funding plan.
Hello, my name is Xavier and I will introduce you the financial plan of Asili. So first I will begin with the cash flow statement. So the cash flow statement helps management in taking decision and designing a plan thanks to information like cash inflow and cash outflow. So as said before, we will need like £80,000 to begin our business because we need to cover a lot of expenses due to the launch of the company. So for instance, if we want to launch our own product line, we will need to use prototype. So we forecast the cost of the prototype thanks to relevant sources. And they said that for each prototype, we need to pay around 1,000. So we estimated the cost of prototype at 4,000, and those prototype will be done in January. Then those prototype will be tested during February and March, thanks to independent outlets, in order to get feedback about the market, how the product is accepted. We also included the salary, the wage in the expenses and the creation of the website. So as you can see, the website will be launched in in March, sorry. So we forecast to pay for the creation of the website like 1,000. So we divided on 2 months. And we also included the promotion expenses. So as you can see, the promotion expenses, the first month will be very expensive. Why? That's because we will need to create brand awareness before the launch of the company. So we plan to create a video and a promotion plan to create brand awareness, as I said before. We also included extra expenses for commercial because as I will be in communication with independent retailer, I will need to move to see them. So we included those costs. So we forecast that we will need like around €300 per month, and we also included the refund bank. So as said before, the bank will be the credit will be refunded in 4 years, and we will have easier refund for the first year. So we will pay like £600. So as you can see, we will launch the company not in January, but mainly in April or March. That's because we want to benefit from the seasonality of the product, because we have done some study about the market, and there is an increasing amount of tourists during the summer. So we plan to launch the company before the summer to be present in the market when the customers are here. So the promotion plan will be very linear. Like we will first pay a lot to create brand awareness, but then we will increase we will increasing the expense, reaching a key point on July. And the sales we plan to sell on the first year around 1,100 units of bag, which represent a revenue of around 55,000 of units of euros, sorry. Okay, so now I will talk about the income statement for the next 3 years. So the income statement show how much profit or loss an organization generated during a period of time. So as you have seen before, the revenue will be generated by the sale of bag. So thanks to Vincent, we also estimated the cost of goods sold, and we come with an operating income for the first year of 2,600, around 2,600 euros. So as you can see, the net profit the first year will be negative, but it's normal because in the life cycle of profit, at the beginning we always are in loss, but then it's our ability to reach profitability which is very important. So as you can see also, during the second year we will also be in loss, but we will almost reach our break-even point. So we will almost be profitable. And we believe truly that during the second year we can be in profit if we can diversify our business in terms of geography and also in terms of products. So we will try to reach other countries such as France, Italy, Greece. So countries who are very around the Mediterranean Sea. And then in the third year, we will also try to go in Asia to be closer to our strategic partner, so bamboo supplier and also manufacturer, to be closer and to reduce also our global footprint while generating profit, because we have two main objectives: generating profit and help society. So help society by giving 10% and also reducing our global footprint. We also estimated the income tax because we don't estimate it. The income tax in Spain is 18%. It's one of the lowest in Europe, so that's why we first focused in Spain, because the market is slowly growing and there is a high flow of tourists, and the corporate tax is very low compared to France, let's say. And also we count that we can see that the bank refund will be like higher than the first year. As I said before, we will have we will negotiate facilitate refund with the bank. So during the second year, we will also launch a pop-up store in Barcelona. So we estimated the cost of the launch of a pop-up store of by 180 euros per day. So we will stay in Barcelona with one pop-up store for, let's say, 2 months. So June and July, or July and August, depending of the flow of tourists. And so we take this into account. And also another thing is that in terms of production of the good, what we will do is we will try to produce in one time, in one shot. That is to say that we will try also to minimize the cost of transportation, to optimize the cost of transportation, and also to benefit from economies of scale from our supplier. So we truly believe that we can reach profitability in the second year.
Thank you so much for joining us in our pitch of Asili, and we hope to work with you in the future. Bamboo.
Okay.